This is overview of the Accounts tab in the InstAccountsManager program. So you need to click All Tasks, then choose the task where you want to work, then you see Accounts tab, and you are working here. We need accounts to working with us in this task. So you can add accounts, delete accounts, just start a task, and another thing you can do with accounts. So I will show you now. At first you need to right mouse click and you can add account. I have here 3 accounts, but I need to show you how to add it. You can add from file, for example, or you can add manually. For example, from file, here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 actions to do. So list of possible separates. Here you select account file in this format that allowed. So program can read only in this program. If you want to add only login and password, you just read this and put in your file only in this format, login and pass. When you want a mail also add, you can login password, email password. If you want proxy, type proxy, another, you add in this format that you read here. Also you can change proxy data if you want, and then you click upload and you upload the file. And this will be like in the task too. I have a list of my accounts. They are here, for example, 27 accounts. Also, I have to show you what else you can do. If you click twice on the accounts you add, or you can click again, right mouse click, add accounts manually, you can add account. Here you write login, like login, and password here. Also you can write email, password, email and password here, a proxy type, IP port, so proxy type SOCKS 4, SOCKS 5, HTTPS. You can check the history, you haven't got, but we can check it. You write login and password of the IP, then you choose IP list you will use. For example, I have main and I have number 2. I will use my proxy list number 2. I also can write second email password, Instagram IP version you can choose here, and IP region. We will use, for example, US. Then you can see device data. Don't touch without need. If you don't need, just not do nothing here. But you can generate here, generate another data, all parameters, and that's it. Also, you can do not run account in any way. If you don't want this account if you start the task or something else, this account will not start. You have here IP user agent, WASP user agent. You can see what user agent, IP and web you have here, settings, and then you will see they choose randomly your IP and web user agent, but you can choose from the list and change it for another. Also here. Also you can add comment, for example 1, 2, 3, optional if you need. For example, this account started this day and you want something like this. And you click add. You add account. You can see here our account. If it was real account, you will have real login and password, a mail here if you add, and something like this. And I will show you real account. This is a mail but without password. Also the same but with real login and password. What else you need to know. You can see here that I have some names of the blocks, and I have first name, account status, statistics, blocks, and other things. But if you see your account new, haven't got this statistic, so you need to start the task, and before you start the task with your accounts, you need to click check account at the beginning of work. So you will start your task, and accounts will write here the information: account status, first name, publication, followers, and all information these accounts will have, it will be there. So perform action, check account at the beginning of the work, and if you want, check account at the end of the work, after the account is working. So something like this. Also, what we have, accounts, right mouse, click, and we can add account, we can select account. For example, select account, and we write linked email. All accounts, we need to select all accounts that have linked email. We write select account, click there, and I have 2 accounts with email. Also, for example, we can select accounts with the text is comment 1 to 3. Select accounts. Oh, we not add comment. We add. I don't know why. Okay, select accounts. Oh, because we haven't got a linked email. Select account. Here we can see that our account have white color, Mozilla, and then 1 to 3. Here we have comment, so we can select accounts by parameters we want. Also, the same, we can selected accounts and do something with them. We can run, stop, copy to task 2, for example, move to task 2, move and start in task 2, because we are in task 2. If you have another tasks, you can start there. You can save, delete proxy. Also, when you save the account, for example, save, you can see parameters here, account, proxy, and macros. So you will save this account, like you want to save account and proxy, and also you want to save account ID. You copy it and you put there like this, and you will have, you click save and you save it. That's it. Also, you can save IP data export to file, web data export to file, or export to CSV file for Excel. Why we need these 2 things? If we say IP data export to file or web data, we will save it, and then in another task, for example, we will click add accounts, import IP accounts for data from file or web. So that's why we need to do this function. Perform action tab, and our task number 1. What else we can do? Selected accounts. We can delete proxy, set another proxy list, for example, number 2. Then we can selected accounts, set proxy from the list, take a random proxy, delete all emails, delete a comment, delete other comments, or delete. Clear action blocks info, clear all today's statistic, clear all statistic. For example, reset authorization session, clear headers API, clear cookies, all cookies API, web cookies, clear log, for example, clear user agent, all clear user agent API and web. Open profile from photo profile, for example. If you have it, you will see here the photo profile, for example. Also, you can delete profile from photo profile, copy names, copy surnames, clear work status, set up color, for example, want yellow one, okay, and this account will be yellow. You can reset ID, fix display of login and password of task account, so you can fix login and password. You can return users who was proceed to target audience list and clear the history of receipt users in the mailing to users. You can clear or return. So here perform actions, mailing to users, and here we can have a list of users. We can add or clean here. So as we see here, we can return users or clear the history of proceed users in the mailing to users. Action in the list, you can put it in the start, in the end, or just mess up all accounts. For example, I click mess up all accounts, and we will see that all accounts is changing the immigrate. Okay, selected account, and in the end we have set the role in the first, so it's additional function I have in my program. So we can set the role here for the program be the first comment. We can recover the latest correct login and password from the logs and restore the last valid email with password from the logs. So we can recover or restore it. That's it. I think, yeah, we finish here. So you need to right mouse click with account. So you choose account, then you do selected account, and you here you can see all this function. Also, you have copy ID, copy login and password. You can copy login, password and proxy here. Copy proxy, copy mail, copy login, password, email and password. You can so if you want to copy some information, this information will be in this format. For example, we copy there and we will have this information. Also, we can edit. For example, we can edit login, password, email, or what we want here. We can open account log. This information you need to see what account doing. So you have checkpoints, you have registration, then add proxy address, then you change the task to task 1, so you can see what these accounts have a history, what he do. What we have, copy link to we can open page in browser, copy link to page. You have Control L to do it, so you use this hot letters, Control space, Control U. Also open Instagram with built-in browser, just click enter when you choose the accounts. Open graph statistic, you choose the task. For example, you want statistic for task 2, you choose login or ID, account, date from date, until, open statistic, or save to file, open statistic, and just choose. Also, you can set up columns. So, for example, you see I have proxy there, but I don't want this column here. Proxy, and I don't know, followers, followings. So I choose there, followers, followings, and you will see add, and they just disappeared. If I want to come back, I will change add display settings. You can also restore default order, line length, and set all the tasks to current order, for example. That's it. I have proxy there, followers, followings again. Also, I can set up statistics, set up columns. For example, set up statistic. I choose what I want in this statistic. For example, I want only likes, followings, how much followers I have, and how much unfollows. And I want, for example, publication. So I don't need to choose another thing. I click there, comment I don't need, and then use this settings here. I click there, and I can set in my statistic here, or I can delete all checkbox where I click, or I can choose all here. Click there. What else I can do? I can have a search, for example. I have Chanel, and we will see search. Chanel. Here you will see search. Here we can see this account. So I just do by basic search. I just write the name of the account, my login. So we will see. Also, you have different columns: blocks, war status, user account, proxy account, and other things. Click there. Also, we have we can open direct here. Ctrl D, search Ctrl F, like Ctrl F, and you can open. So if you remember about this hot letters that you can use, also here you can use save Ctrl S, run Ctrl L and R, and stop Ctrl T. It's very useful for you, because if you do it, just you need to stop the accounts very fast. It will help you a lot. So you can run, stop, and another. You can clear, delete, and all these things here. So what we can see here, you can have account, and you can do just right mouse click, add accounts, and if you have accounts, you can work in with this account and do whatever you want here. So this was overview of the accounts in the task and what you can do with them. So I like to talking to you. Have a nice day and see you soon.